Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my English class. I hope you are happy and enjoy our learning today. Okay, today we would like to discuss about present continuous tense and then when we use present continuous tense. When we use a present continuous tense, so we use the present continuous tense is to talk about action happening right now or temporary action. Jadi, present continuous tense itu digunakan untuk menyatakan suatu kegiatan yang sementara berlangsung atau yang sedang berlangsung. At the moment, there are example of sentence that using present continuous tense. The first example is they are reading book now. Artinya mereka sedang membaca buku sekarang. And then I'm staying with a friend this week. Saya sedang tinggal bersama teman saya minggu ini. Dan my mom is cooking dinner in the kitchen. Ibu saya sedang memasak makan malam di dapur. Okay, next, how to use present continuous tense. Okay, for using present continuous tense, we need subject, to be, and then verb ing. Okay, for to be, I, subject I, to be-nya adalah am, subject he, she, it, to be-nya adalah is, and then subject we, you, they, to be-nya adalah are. Saya ulangi sekali lagi. Subject I, to be-nya am, subject he, she, it, to be-nya adalah is, subject we, you, they, to be-nya adalah are. Okay, so for positive structure, we have I, and then to be-nya adalah am, and then verb-nya adalah eat, dan ditambahkan ing menjadi eating. So, I am eating, and then next, he is eating, she is eating, it is eating. And then untuk to be are, we are eating, you are eating, and then they are eating. For all subject, the verb takes ing. Jadi untuk semua subjek, verbnya ditambahkan ing. Okay, next we move to the negative structure and then how to use present continuous tense with negative structure. Okay, the first we need subject, and then to be, and then not, and then verb ing. So there are example here. The first example is I, subject I am not eating. And then next is to be is, and then plus not. He is not eating, she is not eating, and then it is not eating. Okay, untuk to be are, we have we, you, they, and then plus to be, and then plus not, and then verb ing. So we are not eating, you are not eating, and then they are not eating. Next we move to question structure. Okay, the formulate is to be, and then subject, and then verb eating. So the first example is am I eating, and then to be is he eating, is she eating, and then is it eating. Next to be are we eating, are you eating, and then are they eating. So the formulate is to be, and then subject, and then verb ing. Jadi to be-nya di depan, kemudian disusul oleh subjek, dan kemudian verb ing. For all subject, the verb takes ing. Jadi untuk semua subjek, verbnya tetap ditambahkan ing. Okay guys, pay attention. So there are several spelling rules while adding ing. Jadi ada beberapa peraturan ketika kita ingin menambahkan ing dalam setiap kata. For the most verbs, simply add ing to the base form of the verb. Jadi ada beberapa kata kerja yang sangat mudah jika ditambahkan dengan ing. For example, do menjadi doing, play menjadi playing, and then study menjadi studying is the most simply to add ing. Okay, next rule is for verbs ending in ing. i, drop the i, and add ing. Jadi untuk setiap kata kerja yang berakhiran huruf e, maka huruf e-nya dihilangkan dan ditambahkan ing. For example, make become making, take become taking, and then write become writing. Okay, next rules is for one syllable verbs ending in a consonant vowel consonant, double the final consonant and add ing. Jadi setiap kata kerja yang terdiri dari suku kata dan yang terdiri dari konsonan vowel konsonan, maka final konsonannya itu didouble. For example, sit, sit become sitting, run become running, plan become planning. Okay, next for verbs ending in I and E, change the I, E to Y and add ing. Jadi untuk setiap kata kerja yang berakhiran dengan huruf I, E, ganti huruf I, E-nya menjadi Y. For example, tie become tying, die become dying, and lie become dying. Next, for verbs ending in C, add K before adding ing. Jadi untuk setiap kata yang berakhiran C, maka ditambahkan huruf K sebelum menambahkan ing. For example, picnic become picnicking, panic become panicking, and then mimic become mimicking. Next, we want to talk about time expression. We usually use the following time expression with the present continuous. Jadi biasanya kita menggunakan beberapa ungkapan waktu berikut dalam present continuous tense yang semuanya memiliki arti sekarang atau saat ini. Okay, first time expression is now, and then right now, at the moment, currently, this week, weekend, and month. Okay guys, thank you for listening my explanation about present continuous tense. I hope you can understand and then you can use present continuous tense on your daily life. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.